Once candidates understand how to start Component 4, the next question is almost always the same. Okay, but what evidence should I actually use? In this video, I want to clarify what evidence works in Component 4, what does not, and how scorers evaluate evidence of professional impact. Component 4 evidence feels confusing because it doesn't look like evidence in other components. There is no single lesson, no video clip, and no student work sample that automatically proves impact. Instead, Component 4 evidence must show influence over time, which requires a different way of thinking. One common misconception is treating activity logs as evidence. Listing meetings attended, resources created, or sessions facilitated does not automatically demonstrate impact. For scorers, activity only matters when it is clearly connected to change or influence. Another common mistake is using participation as evidence. Proof that you were involved, such as sign-in sheets or committee memberships, does not show impact by itself. Scorers look for evidence that your participation led to change, not just that it occurred. Component 4 also requires more than one-time outcomes. A single event or isolated success does not demonstrate sustained influence. Scorers are trained to look for evidence of growth, development, or improvement over time. Strong Component 4 evidence clearly supports a claim about impact. It helps scorers see what need was addressed, what actions were taken intentionally, and what changed as a result. This might include patterns, trends, documented shifts in practice, or outcomes that developed across time. Evidence in Component 4 works best when it shows progression. Scorers should be able to trace how your influence unfolded, not just that something happened once. When evidence reflects sustained change, your analysis becomes clearer and more convincing. Candidates often lose points when evidence isn't clearly connected to a claim, shows effort instead of influence, and requires scorers to infer impact. Remember, scorers can only evaluate what is made explicit. If you are unsure whether your evidence clearly supports a Component 4 claim, the claim and evidence templates I've linked below can help you organize your thinking. They're designed to help scorers clearly see your impact without guessing. In Component 4, evidence works when it shows influence, not just involvement. Take your time. Precision matters.